English Podcast Boost. Learn, speak, improve.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast Boost. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alex. We're happy you're here today.
Today, we're talking about shopping for groceries.
Yes, we all need food, and we all go shopping.
That's right. Let's begin. Alex, where do you usually buy food?
I usually go to the supermarket. There is a supermarket near my house.
Me too. I go shopping every Saturday.
Do you make a shopping list?
Yes, I always make a list before I go. It helps me remember everything.
That's a good idea. Sometimes I forget to buy milk.
That happens to me too. What do you usually buy?
I buy bread, eggs, milk, cheese, and yogurt. I also buy apples and bananas.
Very healthy. I like buying vegetables. I often buy tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and potatoes.
Do you buy snacks?
Yes, but only sometimes. I like nuts and yogurt. They are healthy snacks. What about you?
I like chips, but I try not to eat them every day. Sometimes I buy popcorn instead.
That's a better choice. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I cook simple meals. I usually cook rice, chicken, or pasta.
Nice. Do you shop alone?
Sometimes, but I enjoy shopping with my family. It's more fun.
I agree. We can talk and help each other.
Do you use a basket or a shopping cart?
If I buy only a few things, I use a basket. If I buy a lot of food, I use a shopping cart.
Me too.
Do you pay with cash or a card?
I usually pay by card. It's fast and easy.
Same here. Shopping is easy when you have a list.
And healthy food helps us stay strong.
That's true. Now let's learn some new words.
Our first word is supermarket. A supermarket is a big store where you buy food. Example: I go to the supermarket every Saturday.
Our second word is shopping list. A shopping list is a list of things you want to buy. Example: I write a shopping list before I go shopping.
Our third word is basket. A basket is something you carry while shopping. Example: My basket is full of fruit.
Our last word is healthy snack. A healthy snack is good for your body. Example: Yogurt is a healthy snack.
That's all for today's episode. We hope you learned some useful English words.
Now it's your turn. What do you usually buy at the supermarket? Write 2 to 3 simple sentences in English. Example: I usually buy milk, eggs, and bread. I also like apples and yogurt.
We'll read your comments. Maybe your answer will appear in our next episode.
Please like this video
Subscribe to our channel.
and turn on the notification bell.
Every episode helps you improve your English step by step.
Thanks for listening.
See you in episode 6.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.